Okay, so guys, today we're going to be creating and designing a terrain in Unity. So to start off with, you probably need to create a terrain. I'll just delete these ones here, and here, and create a new one. 3D terrain. So you'll probably be quite zoomed in like this when you are in the terrain, so you want to zoom out to get a better view. So on the right, when you click on the terrain, you'll notice paint height, raise low terrain, these 7 buttons here. Main ones you want to look at are the terrain settings, paint texture, smooth height, and paint height. So in the settings, I'm actually just going to make this a bit smaller. I'm going to make it 250 by 250. It's quite small. Now position is still on X, so now I'm going to go into terrain and then go into paint height. You might want to go into raise and low terrain, but I'm going to use paint height today because it has a maximum height setting. So the maximum height setting is down here when you click on paint height. So when you drag this, if you want to say paint something here, paint height, it will actually stop right there because that is the height of so it'll stop here because this is height 200. So it's got a straight line there. Can make it bigger, but I can't go past this point. It's good for creating platforms, but I mostly use it just because it's easier to use. So I'm just gonna delete all of that and then get started. Decrease my brush size, and I can start. So I'm just gonna go through these things in the paint height. So in the paint height, there's brush size, which increases the brush size or decreases it, and opacity, which is the speed of which you can paint. So if this is really low, say like 20, it will paint really, really slowly. But then if you have it at 100, 100, it will paint a lot quicker. A lot quicker. So I'm just going to put my brush size back up to 50, and have that at 50 as well. So now I just got a nice speed like that. So I just finished sculpting this landscape. Now I'll smooth it and add a texture. So I've finished sculpting the trainer. So I might just put a few hills in the middle. It's bad. So I'm just gonna put this in. So now I'm gonna smooth it afterwards. So to you, depending on your resolution, it might look a bit sharp, the top of these. So to fix that, I'm just going to go smooth height and smooth it over a bit. Just going to increase the size of the speed because this needs to be fast. So it makes it a nice hill. So you don't actually notice the circles. done that, finished. Smoothing, be done with that. So you'll have pretty good looking terrain, probably better than this because I'm just spending a few minutes on this. So you probably want to add a texture to it, like rock texture, and so what you'll want to do is you want to go add texture and under the paint texture settings, and this is a tiling texture here. The first one tiles it, so if you just have, say, my snow texture in here, then it will be snowy. But then once you add this, it will make it checkery snowy. So if I have this, it'll have checkers and snow. But you have to have a tiling texture. So what you have to do is you have to edit this. So you can't just have this. It looks a lot better, but you can't just have the thing. You can't just have the snow texture, so you have to put in double snow texture. Otherwise it will not work. Increase the smoothness, but I'm just going to keep it like that. Get the directional light, where is it? There. Increase the height. Shoot, where is it? There. I'm actually going to switch that to a point line, so take that off. Edit. Game object, light, area light. Light, and then I want intensity to be 8. Width is as big as I can, and height is as big as I can. Balance intensity. I'm just going to switch the main camera, put it in here, move back a bit, and you've got your terrain. So this is nice and dark, so it looks like it's sunsetting. You can see a bit of orange on the horizon. So since that's done, that's the tutorial finished. Please subscribe and comment.